Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. We are making authentic Kung Pao chicken today. There are basically four main ingredients in authentic Kung Pao chicken: chicken, dried red pepper, roasted peanuts, and scallion. We will first dice the scallions. For westernized Kung Pao chicken, you may also dice up some carrots and celeries. We are going to cut up the chicken next. We are using boneless chicken thigh here. You can also use chicken breast, but personally, I think chicken thighs is more flavorful and more tender than chicken breast. We are slicing the chicken thigh into strips first, then cut them into cubes. Next, we are going to marinate the chicken. For a pound of chicken, we are using about a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. We also need about a tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix everything well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Next, we are preparing the sauce. For the Kung Pao sauce, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, about half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of Chinese vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and about a teaspoon and a half of cornstarch. Mix the sauce well so we can use it later. We also need some minced garlic and ginger, about 1 teaspoon for each, and some dried red pepper cut up into small pieces. Time to cook. Let's heat up the wok, add the oil, put the chicken in, spread it out, stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes till it's almost cooked. Then we're going to add the ginger and garlic and the red pepper. Add about half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder and the chopped up scallion. Stir and toss everything together. Time to add the sauce. Turn on the high heat, add the sauce in, and stir quickly. Once the sauce thickens, turn off the heat. Last thing to do is to add the roasted peanuts and mix everything together. We hope you enjoyed the authentic way of cooking Kung Pao chicken. Please subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates. See you next time.